The new subdivision brand for FiiO is SnowSky, and they have just launched a new IEM. The new IEM we're looking at is the new SnowSky FH3. This is kind of like a response to FiiO's very old FH3 hybrid earphone that they launched almost 8 years ago or 7-8 years ago. I remember that earphone. I think I even had my time with it at the time. It was very popular. That earphone at the time was priced at $129. That's, I think that earphone came out, if I'm not mistaken, either 2020 or 2019, but it's a very old hybrid earphone at the time from FiiO. So SnowSky, which is now a small division that FiiO has created to make affordable in-ear monitors and headphones and whatever, they have just decided to make almost like a remodeled version of the FH3, very popular earphone in the past. So the new SnowSky FH3, they're calling it the New Sky FH3 LUMI. That's the way they have titled this particular model, and they've decided to make it the same 3-driver hybrid setup like the old FH3. Two balanced armature drivers and 1 dynamic driver. That's how they've continued the design, but this time you are getting a natural wood fiber composite diaphragm and then 2 balanced armature drivers. Now remember, the old FH3 came with no balanced armature drivers, but for some reason this new model doesn't really have a specific name for the balanced armature driver, which I don't like. I've said this, I hate companies that don't tell me the particular driver that they have inside, no, not particular driver, but like the brand of drivers they have inside of their earphones. So take a look at the old FH3. The old FH3 had no balanced armature driver, very popular brand that makes balanced armature drivers, very renowned. But all of a sudden, the new FH3 from SnowSky, a subdivision of FiiO, doesn't want to name the type of balanced armature drivers they have inside of their own FH3 LUMI variant. So the only thing they tell us is that the dynamic driver that will handle your bass is a natural Cashmere-wood fiber composite diaphragm. That's what is coming with. But the 2 balanced armature drivers are custom designed. That's the way they put it, custom developed and designed for this particular model. We do not know the name. The frequency response is around 6, and at least they are targeting between 6 to 8 kilohertz range from what the company is saying. And they say that the earphone will tame the S and SH high frequency sound that you always get, that is very annoying and bugs your eardrum. They don't want this to have sibilance. That's what they are chasing, no sibilance with this particular model. But being detailed, it still comes with a decent cable. But unlike the old model came with an MMCX connector. This one is coming with a 0.78 2-pin connector that is now the popular thing on the market. Like I originally said in the video, early in the video, the original FH3 was priced at $129 about 6-7 years ago. This new model now is priced at $99.99, so literally $100 if we are being specific with the full number. So at $100 or $99.99, this is a very well priced in-ear monitor, and I think it might be able to compete against the older one. Only time will tell. It still even has the same cable, or close to the same cable as, sorry, it doesn't have the same cable. The original FH3 came with a silver cable, if I'm not mistaken. That model had a silver cable, but this one has a brown cable. So there's a difference between the cable that they come in with. So look guys, I'll drop all the details below if you want to buy it. Do subscribe to the channel, do like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.